Hey guys, Robert Passafiume with Metrowest Real Estate here, coming at you at our next fix and flip here over off 130th in Washington. Currently, it's a 2 bedroom, 2 bath. We're going to be renovating into a 4 bedroom, 3 bath. As you can see here, we've actually already started on the outside. We got the rollaway here. You'll see as we walk through this is kind of your typical hoarder situation. Let me first start out showing you the neighborhood. Neighborhood here is pretty darn nice. So almost all the houses here are anywhere from your 2 bedroom to your 4 bedroom up top with basements. So let's go check it out. We'll start out here. Like I said, you'll see in the garage the amount of stuff that's been left behind. These are the type of houses that we're looking for here at Metrowest when we renovate. We'll let you leave all your stuff behind and let you just leave behind what you don't want and take what you do. So as we walk through this home, you're going to see a little bit more of what I'm talking about in regards to the hoarder situation. As I walk into the front room, you can see that there's a lot of stuff that's still been left behind that the individual there was intending to leave. So we're actually in the middle of throwing this all away and trashing out the home. As you can see here, this is a nice flex room that was used for an office. Main living area is right here. Kitchen is off to the right. We'll go ahead and walk through there here real quick. So mostly the renovations you're going to see up in this top floor as we go through these segments. You'll see the kitchen will be redone, flooring, cabinets, countertops, appliances. So throughout the renovations, I'll check in with you periodically on video, let you see the progress. If you like what you guys are seeing, please definitely like and subscribe by hitting the button below on my channel. Definitely stay tuned for more videos as we move through this renovation. So as you can see, a lot of stuff left behind. We're going to walk here through the main area. Down the hall, we have one of the main bathrooms here. Lovely, lovely bathroom. Linen closet. Sorry if I made you guys dizzy. This is the second bedroom up on the main floor. We'll pan around here to the main floor bedroom. So this would be master on the main, since this is a ranch. You have an entrance out to the backyard here, as you can see. Large bath. Unfortunately, with the not so desirable carpet. So that obviously will be taken care of with the renovations. You have the walk-in closet here to the right. And then the restroom right there. Another closet here to the right as well. So with these vaulted ceilings, with the renovations, I really think this natural light that's coming in with this door behind me and the windows here in the restroom will definitely brighten this place up, make this main bedroom look very large. It already has the vaulted ceilings, and then with the natural light and the renovations, I believe it'll really, really stick out. So as I was telling you to begin with, we have a 2 bedroom up here that we're going to be turning into a 4. So let me go ahead and head downstairs here real quick. That's where you're going to see a lot of stuff in addition to what you already see up here. So garage, 2-car right here with laundry area here to the right. So let's go ahead and take you downstairs. So downstairs, you're going to see there's about the same size as the top floor. So this is where the 2 bedrooms will be added. It's quite large. I think this person might have been a prepper of some kind. So you can tell by the water jugs here. that have been filled and left behind. So this is stubbed out for a bathroom. So again, this is where you're going to get the additional finished square footage on this fix and flip. So anytime you can add additional square footage is where you're going to get the best return on your investment, obviously. As you can see right here, we got even more stuff. But definitely a large basement. Good enough to definitely add an additional 2 bedrooms with egress windows both here, here, and here. And then there's also one that's behind me. So you have the availability to add a couple bedrooms down here and still have a living space of some kind of main space to do whatever you would like to utilize the area down here. So as the renovations begin and as we're going through the renovations, I hope to take some videos and show you the progress. You know, if you see things that you think we should do color-wise, or if you see any upgrades that you feel that you would like to comment, definitely like to see some interaction. If anybody feels that they'd like to chime in, you know, if we should do some grays, some tans. I know gray right now is definitely the color that everybody's looking for, light grays and also dark grays in both flooring and paint. So as I head upstairs, I'll show you a quick video of the backyard, and then stay tuned. So we'll go back through the living room. So here's the backyard. Really nice. Backs up to 130th, and the tennis court's over there to the right. So fairly large. Got the pad over here that's right off of the main floor living bedroom. Right off the kitchen and living room we were at. So thanks guys. Again, if you like the videos, please like and subscribe below. Otherwise, I should be coming at you more with the renovations of this home here in Thornton. Have any questions? Feel free to reach out. Robert Passafiume, Metrowest Real Estate. Thanks so much.